Finally get to open it. So high for this. It's my first sponsor. Can't believe I got this for absolutely for free. Shout out to AM Off-Road for this. I appreciate it. Oh shit, it's got the wiring for the grill, the off-road lights. It's a really good packaging actually. Check it out. It's like top-notch packaging. Not gonna lie. I'm hoping it's the gloss black one. I know they had a gloss. They let me choose between two grills. It was this one right here. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be the matte black one, which is fine. But man, if it's a gloss black, that would look so nice. This is dope. What if it has any stickers? No, I don't think no stickers. To the side. Oh yeah. Here's the grill. Oh, it's like a little wiring harness, or I think it's like a wiring harness. Yeah, it's dope. It's cool. This is the grill. Bought some hardware too. Cool. I think that should be everything. No stickers. Come on. That's the only thing that's missing is some stickers. I was really hoping. Oh, it has some stickers. Alright. Let's get this box out of the way. So it actually feels, it has some good weight to it. It doesn't feel like it's just plastic. Set this down. There it is. There it is. Oh, that looks sick. That looks mean. Put some more wiring. Let's get this bad boy out. Nah, you gotta be capping, bro. It's a gloss black. Yo, that's hard. It's a gloss black. Ah, that goes hard. You get this. I don't want to scratch it. Yo, shout out AM Off-Road, bro. I don't know what I was expecting, but you guys went off. I really like this grill a lot. I was honestly planning to rock it for a while and switch back to my grill, but bro. And the crazy thing is, I think this is removable. Say if you don't like it. I seen some screws back here. And it looks like it's removable. So you could turn it into somewhat like almost like a sport trim, which is actually what I wanted for that truck. That's crazy. I'm pretty sure those are gonna be really bright. I do like the orange. I've always liked the orange in my truck. That's why I don't want to get the, yo, just what? I was really expecting the matte black, but yo. The instructions.
You could either tap into the fog lights or you could tap into the headlights.
Oh, here it says, oh shit. Amber lights wiring. The red wire connects to the ACC. The black wire connects to the negative battery.
Yeah, it shouldn't be too hard. It's pretty much, you wire them all the same.
I thought it was gonna be like that one, the map. Well, it's just pretty bad.
Yeah, it's cool, looks tight. You're gonna keep it like that, or you're gonna take off that centerpiece?
We'll probably see which one looks better. For sure, I'm gonna have the centerpiece for a while because that's actually useful when you're
maybe like foggy days.
Or when you're off roading. Those are probably hella bright. I think they're like bright as LEDs.
Test it out. Let's see how if you like it. Yeah, that looks cool.
I'll probably leave them on. Then when I get bored of it, I'll take them off. It's easy. They're just some screws in the back.
Yeah.
And the crazy part is, I wanted a grill like this. Not like this. Pretty much like this. It's a sport grill. Pretty much like the outside, it's black like that, and then the inside is just like an air dam. And that's what this one is. If you take that off, it's like a just like an air dam. That to me it looks sporty. Damn, but this is hella badass.
I think this one alone will be pretty cool.
Yeah. And they hella surprised me though. Like, send me some stickers, man. Gonna be doing the install today. Pull it out.
The whole grill?
Yeah. And I'll put this down and you can set it on top. The wires? Yeah. Yeah, they're pretty long. It's pretty clean, huh?
Yeah. Trailer for off-roading.
Think it looks bad or what?
You know which
it looks like an off-road Raptor, kind of.
You know which one has these grills? The Roush one.
Oh, they do? Yeah. Oh, it is a Roush.
It is a Roush.
Hey, it is a Roush grill. Yeah. Or it shall be. No, it shall be.
It's a Roush, because I've seen a truck like this by my house and it has that same grill.
Oh, for reals?
Yeah, watch.
So what are these for? Those lights on.
These lights right here on top?
Yeah.
You used to go on like a 4-inch now.
I got one at 4-inch.
Oh, that's early.
You don't have a clip removal, Omar?
Yeah, let me look for it.
I'm gonna take off all these right here. All of these.
It's supposed to give you like the Roush plug.
All of them. Clip removal suck. Well, when we put this grill on, he helped me put this one. But damn, with this one, nah, but it was just fucking hard. We were doing it with like a random tool and shit. All the clips are off and just... Oh shit, I forgot another one. Come on. Here you go. 10.
Oh, no, Ford Expert. We're doing some 96.
Now we need to take off the valence. You don't have like a screwdriver, Omar?
Go.
This one right here.
Well, you took off the bolt.
You wanna help me take it off? Yeah, that's it.
Stuck on that side or what? It's fitting right here, that's fine.
Is it? My side feels like it's coming up.
This side's already out. Let's put this right here. Hold it. Let's put this.
Oh.
Did you zip tie it or what?
It's already in there. I forgot to pop that.
No wonder I already knew something was holding it back. Right there it is.
We can set it. We can set it right here. So.
For sale, let me know.
I love these dudes. Shit, you need to take out the valence. I forgot. Yeah, let's put it in the grass so it doesn't scratch up the chrome. We need to take off
Over
the
there
shutters.
is like
The fuzzy?
Yeah.
I think right here is good enough. I'll get it before and after real quick.
I think it was moving into like a bug.
Here's one I installed like a month ago. We're gonna be putting that one. So we still need to take off the shutters in the back. Nah, it's not that bad. It's 4. What size are these right here? Like a 8 maybe?
8 to 10.
It's a 10 millimeter. Yep. Alright, we got the shutters off. Now we have to put it on this one. Alright, so this is how we ran the wire. And we just ran it through here so it's not visible through the grill. We wired it right behind the bar, the light bar. Like that. There's a harness. We're gonna run it to these cables right here. Oh shit, I think you clipped it in already, huh?
No.
Oh no. Oh, into these cables right here. It's pretty dope, huh? It's like plug and play.
It's the best product I've seen.
I don't think it has to be in any particular order, huh? It's actually pretty like it's up there.
It's a good fitment.
Yeah, with like
OEM fitment.
with the harness and all that.
Oh,
It's not a cheap. They didn't cheap out on it for sure. And then the packaging when I opened it was hella good. That all the sponges and all that.
Super secure.
It out too if you want.
Alright. Let me see. It goes like this.
Well, you could do it. I'm just gonna check it out.
Alright, so I'm gonna tap into the fog lights. Well, the fog light harness. And I'm gonna get my multimeter and I'm gonna check which one's positive and which one's negative. And I'm gonna be getting 12 volts from the positive.
Alright.
And then I'm gonna I'm gonna splice, but I'm also gonna I'm gonna use a ground, but I'm gonna get a ground from another source. I don't want to get it from here.
Alright.
And it should be ready to go after that.
You see that whack job I did up there?
What are you talking about?
That little zip tied.
Oh, right here. What is that from?
That's from the valence. Oh, you can't tap into that. I don't use that.
Is there how does a valence work?
It just goes on automatically. Well, it goes on from miles per hour and stuff like that.
Nah, cause the way this one works is whenever you turn on the fog lights,
Yeah.
it's gonna turn on everything. And this, I would need it to have constant,
Some kind of
like a switch on. You know?
yeah. So it'll
And then if this one turns on automatically, then that's gonna.
it'll turn off like a high speed, huh?
Yeah, but see, that'll be weird. Like it'll come on and off, so
That's
it wouldn't
kinda
make
cool.
sense.
You remember like Little Big Planet? You could do stuff like that too. It's like the same in real life.
There's like different type of switches.
Yeah.
But yeah, this will work right here.
All right. Yeah.
This is the positive right here.
Which one's the positive?
This one.
I can't see.
You can't really see. I gotta get that tape out the way, but it's this one.
Oh, that's a positive?
Yeah. Look at the multimeter. Record the multimeter. If you can see it. Wait, hold on.
All right, hold on.
Did you see the numbers change from 0 to 14, 13?
All right, so that one, go?
Yeah. Is it
Yeah, it
changing?
went to 13.58.
All right. Yeah, that's a positive right there.
So that's a positive right there.
Yeah.
Hold on. Which one's the positive?
That's the one I'm gonna tap into.
That's a positive.
And then I'm gonna do the ground on the chassis.
Okay, and which one's the other one? The negative?
Well, that one's giving me like a few volts. I don't.
That was 21. So it's a negative or what?
Nah, I think, but no, well, you should. I don't know. I'm not. Don't.
Or the
I'm
negative?
gonna get the negative from the chassis.
Okay.
So all I need is a positive for
All right,
this.
so we're gonna get the.
I'm gonna tap into that one.
The positive from that one. All right.
Look, I'm gonna take off this tape and then I'm gonna show you which one it is.
All right.
I'll probably put some tape after I'm done. It's this one. What color is this one? It's this one right here.
Which one?
This left one.
Oh, the one on the left.
Yeah.
All right.
Well,
That's
but
a
look,
positive, right?
it's the solid colored one.
Yeah.
Not the. I think that's black. Not the black one.
That has a stripe. That's not.
I
the
can't
positive.
have that good. That's my phone freaking died.
Yeah, I got it.
Is this one?
Got it. All right, so we wired it this way instead because we're gonna tap into that fog light. Go this way. So top front of it to the. Don't forget the clips from the old grow. Almost forgot them. All right, so we cleaned it up a little bit. We put some zip ties to keep it tidy. Ran it through that side, and now we're gonna put this over it, see if it closes. What am I put over? I think this goes under. Yeah, it closes.
Yeah.
Yep. I don't think it'll move much because this is gonna be over it, right?
I would just do something to be safe.
Or we could run it over here, like on top.
You're gonna have to open everything back up again. That's gonna be annoying.
That's cool.
Let me clean it up a little bit.
Fucking dragonfly. Hella nasty. Gonna crimp it.
Yeah. So I got the 2 red wires with this
To
little.
one plug.
I'm gonna go.
So that's pretty much like a USB Type C.
Something like that. Oh fuck! I just gotta make sure it's centered. I don't want it to come out.
Do you have to do the negative one too?
Yeah. Hold on, it's kind of hard to get it in there. Just afraid it's gonna come out.
Yeah.
Oh, it freaking came out.
It came out?
Yeah, it came out.
Oh.
Let me get another one. Fuck.
I'm creasing my shoes for this.
That's not wet.
So nasty.
Anyways, because he messed it up.
And it literally was when he was crimping
Well,
it.
for real?
Yeah.
They probably thought the crimping nose came from that.
I think you fucked him up.
Distracted me, man.
Imagine he just cuts a whole wire from the fire.
Are you recording?
Yeah.
Oh, shit.
There?
Yeah. Yeah.
We also gotta take these off right here. Let me do 2 more. I have 2 more here. I think they just go like that. Alright, does it fall in? Yep.
Gonna go somewhere or what? Yeah.
Yeah.
You didn't slap it on there already?
Yeah.
Nope. On the ground?
Yeah. Just be careful with the wires. Just kind of feed them down over here. Watch out. Watch out,
How's it
take
look?
it out, take it out.
Are you gonna run them through? That shit goes hard.
Goes hella hard.
From we could already tell how from here, like
It's clean as
black.
fuck. I think you need to do the black bumper now.
Yeah, no, yeah, that's
It
what I'm
look
gonna
hella
do.
clean.
I
It
need
look
to
clean.
wrap it, yeah.
It looks stupid clean.
That's what I wanted to do was wrap
Yeah.
it and do it all in the same time.
You have to take off the chrome off the windows too.
Yeah, now we're running these. I'm gonna leave the chrome. Cause I'm gonna leave this bottom piece right here black. No, chrome, black, and oh that should go, let's go kinda hard.
Just make sure the bottom don't pinch.
That shit's hella clean.
Does it?
Oh yeah.
Let me wire it real quick and let's see, make sure everything works.
Just wire real quick.
I mean, it's white. Well, I just got to
How's it look?
That shit's hella clean.
I like how I mean without the middle part too.
Oh yeah.
But like when I turn on the lights, it's gonna look bad.
That was hella clean. Hella clean.
Got tangled.
How much those girls go for?
Like 3 bills.
Oh yeah.
It needs a wipe down though. It's a little dirty now.
A little dusty.
Running it to the negative. Just to test it out, and we're gonna clean it up a bit.
Just put it on the one and then tighten
It actually doesn't really look bad like that.
You just leave it right
Put it on the one?
Yeah, it's right on.
I think only 4 lights only popped out of the 3.
I think it's clean.
Yeah, it works. Yeah, close the hood.
Oh, damn, it's not even
Those because they're clips. We didn't put the clips.
No, I know. I just wanted to see how it looks.
I'll just leave it like that and smash it in.
Oh, it won't close?
I don't know.
That's a long. But it still needs like that.
Yeah, it's still
bottom
gonna
piece.
feel a little bit cleaner.
You should throw on that bottom or.
Yeah, the valence.
Oh, dang, it looks clean.
Yeah, it looks hella clean.
It looks pretty mean.
Yeah, it looks clean.
Once you throw on the valence, it's gonna go harder.
Yeah.
It was like the Roush one.
Alright, just gonna finish up and we test it out later. So how it looks with the hood closed, fully installed. From the side.
Oh, plus.
You wanna hit the switch?
Turn it on?
Yeah.
Where's it at?
Hold up.
It's like a little light button in there.
Damn.
You gotta turn it on though.
Dude, I got dirt in my eye.
For real?
It's pretty bright.
Huh?
God damn. It's even brighter right now. It feels faster to me. Oh, you did?
The only thing is that the gear kind of like hard to put in. Like, when you lift up.
Bro?
It was getting stuck on me. I was like, I had to put my foot all the way in there.
Oh, froze. Yo, this is how it looks at night. It's ridiculously bright at night. God. So I have a shitty camera. It's so bright it won't even focus. off-roading. So one thing that's cool about this, these LEDs, is if you go to the Ford, it's actually synced up with your features. So you go to zone lighting and check it out. It'll actually turn on the front now a lot brighter. See, you could turn it off, and it's gonna be a lot brighter with your zone lighting. Same with the back.